Coterie is a noun that refers to a small exclusive group of people who share common interests, tastes, or activities. It often implies a sense of intimacy and exclusivity, suggesting a circle of close-knit individuals who understand or appreciate something that outsiders might not. Origins of coterie. The word coterie comes from the French coterie, originally meaning an association of tenants. It later evolved to mean a group of people bound by shared interests. The term entered the English language in the 18th century, retaining its connotation of exclusivity and shared purpose. How to use coterie. Coterie is typically used to describe a group united by specific, often niche interests. Whether artistic, intellectual, or social, it can be neutral or slightly pejorative, depending on whether the exclusivity is seen as positive or elitist. Example sentences. The author was well known within a coterie of literary enthusiasts, but remained largely unknown to the general public. Their coterie of art collectors met regularly to discuss emerging talent and trends in the industry. He found it difficult to break into the coterie of long-time employees who dominated the office culture. Similar words, clique, a small exclusive group that can be seen as insular or elitist. Circle, a group of people linked by shared interests or activities. Cabal, a secret or exclusive group, often with connotations of plotting. Nuances of coterie. Coterie carries a tone of sophistication or specificity, often implying that the group shares a deep connection over a refined or specialized interest. Unlike clique, which can suggest a negative sense of exclusion, coterie tends to emphasize the shared passion or intellectual pursuits of the group. In essence, coterie captures the idea of belonging to a unique, tightly knit community, highlighting the allure of shared passions and the exclusivity of intimate circles. Subscribe.